Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix not charging in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, check charger and cable. After check charger and cable, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, enable fast charging. Open setting, scroll down, click on battery, scroll down, and now here you will see fast charging. And if you want to enable fast charging, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, enable fast charging from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system. Go back, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix not charging in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.